But first, a huge thank you to everyone that helped me get this far. The first $3,000 got it here. And she got cleaned up and comfy. So pretty. Now to the list of things that need to be done with the next $3,000. Something electrical burned out or fuel pump. We started troubleshooting yesterday. Roof has some big spots to caulk and the whole thing needs to be sealed. As well as some major body panels that need to be caulked and riveted. A couple of the storage bins underneath are rusted out. Generator needs oil drained, carb cleaned, new plug and wire at the very least. Propane tank needs pressure test and good. Whole system needs to be checked. Likely doing away with an antiquated water heater and going to on demand. Other minor body panels to secure and seal. Windows that don't close or lock. All curtains and blinds need to be replaced. All 6 tires are dry rotted and need to be replaced. Rear end needs oil. Cabin light fixtures need to be replaced. Carpet needs to be replaced with hardwood. There are a host of other small things that need to be done as well as a list of ones that will come soon. Thank you again everyone helping me with this journey.